What is up, guys? It's your boy Rex here, and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a brand new method you can go and use and make some extra money online as soon as today. If you're going to implement the exact method I'm going to show you, so you're going to watch this video step by step to the end, actually take the time and implement this method I'm going to show you guys. So you're going to start making some extra money online and you can go and get your first sale as soon as today using this method I'm going to show you right here. So this is a method I use as well, and I've gotten a lot of results using this method. I'm going to show you guys how you can go and use this and start making some extra money on CLICKBANK as well. So the method I'm going to be showing guys is a method you can go and potentially make up to $1,000 plus per week promoting some products on CLICKBANK that many people are not promoting. So there's less competition. I can go and use this and make a lot of money. I'm going to show you guys the exact steps I can go and follow and promote these products and start making some extra money on CLICKBANK. So the method I'm going to show you guys is a method that has no competition, so many people are not competing for this, so there's a huge opportunity for you to go and make money using this method. So you can just go and use copy and paste. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what you can do and promote these products easily. So this is newbie friendly, so you can go and get started even if you don't have any experience promoting CLICKBANK products. So you can go and get started today right after this video, and you're going to start promoting these products using this method I'm going to show you right here. So be sure to stay right to the end of this video because I'm going to show you guys all the secrets that you can go and use and promote these products effectively and make a lot of money using this method right here. So that's it, guys. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you're going to get notified time that I post new videos that can help you guys start making some extra money online. So I post new videos every day that we go and take action on these methods and implement the methods. You're going to start making some extra money online. And I also have a second channel. It's called Smart Online PD. I'm going to leave a link in the description. They can go and watch a lot more videos on that channel. It's going to show some free methods that you can go and use and make some extra money online and reinvest it back on affiliate marketing and make a lot more money. So that's guys. So if you want to learn my step-by-step method I'm using to make money like this consistently on CLICKBANK, be sure to click the first link in the description. I'm going to show you guys the exact method I'm using to make money every day consistently on CLICKBANK. Using this method is called Commission Spider. I'm going to show you guys the exact secrets I'm using to make a lot of money on CLICKBANK, with including done for you campaigns that can go and use and just copy and paste and start running and start making some extra money very fast on CLICKBANK. So that's guys, so let's get into the video. Let me show you guys this method you can go and use and start making some extra money on CLICKBANK as soon as today. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay guys, so let me show you guys the exact method you can go and use and start making some extra money online on CLICKBANK as soon as today. If you're going to follow the exact method I'm going to show you and implement it, because I've used this method as well, I'm getting a lot of results from using this method right here. So the first step is I'm going to go to the CLICKBANK affiliate marketplace, and I'm going to show you guys some of these products I can go and promote that has very low competition. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to go and promote these products and start getting some results. So when you go to the affiliate marketplace, you can see there are a lot of products and many of them are converting very well. So start by gravity. You're going to see all the top selling products on CLICKBANK. But one problem about promoting these products, the top selling products on CLICKBANK, is that they have very high competition. So a lot of people are competing to promote these products and many people are still making a lot of sales. So the top selling products on CLICKBANK are still converting very well, but there's a lot of competition. But if you are going to promote these products, you can also go and get a lot of sales promoting these top selling products on CLICKBANK. So the method I'm going to show you guys today is I'm going to show you guys some products that can go and promote that has very low competition and you can still go and make a lot of money promoting those affiliate marketing products on CLICKBANK. So once you go to the CLICKBANK affiliate marketplace, what you're going to do is I can go and type example. So let's type example marriage. So let's type example marriage and click on search. You're going to find these products right here. So you're going to find a products, for example, you can see right here, men a marriage. So these are products that are converting very well on CLICKBANK and many people are not promoting this. I'm going to show you guys the method you can go and promote these products easily and get a lot of traffic very fast and get a lot of sales. So you can see this product, for example, mend the marriage. So this is a product that's going to help people on how to mend their marriage. So you can see right here it's converting very well as a gravity of 28, and you can see average sale at $50 right here. So you can see this one, for example, save the marriage system. So this product has been selling on CLICKBANK for a very long time. So this product has been selling for a very long time, so it's always selling. So if you're going to go and promote this product using this method I'm going to show you, you can actually go and make a lot of money promoting these products right here. So scroll right there, you're going to find a lot more products. You can see one, save my marriage today. So let's choose one product from here. So for this example, I'm just going to choose this one, for example, mend the marriage. So let me go, for example, to the sales page of these products, and let's see the sales page of these products right here. And also we're also going to go to the affiliate tools area and find a lot of tools that is going to help us to go and promote these products right here. So this is a video sales page. So if you click right here, you can go and click, for example, for men and for ladies right here. So if you click for men, it's going to take you to a different sales page that you can go and buy these products from here. So this is for both men and women that can go and buy this product from here. So what we're going to do next is that we're going to go to affiliate tools area. We're going to go and find tools that we can go and use and promote this product right here. So let me go to affiliate tools area. You can see they have a lot of different affiliate tools right here. So you can see from here I can go and make a lot more money by promoting this program here. So you can see the front end is at $49. So there's an order bomb and there's an upsell. So you're also going to get a commission anytime that somebody buys these different upsells from here. So what we're going to do from here is we're going to go and click on viral PDF and PPC keywords right here. So this is going to give us a lot of different keywords that we can go and use and promote these products right here very easily. So let's click right here. So let's click on this. It's going to show us a lot of keywords that can go and use and promote this product right here. So you can see these are different keywords that can go and run in our campaign and make a lot of money. So what we're going to do from here is that we're going to go and run a campaign on Bing. So let me show you guys how many people are searching for how to save a marriage, for example, on Bing. So I'll go, for example, to the Bing keyword planner. So you can see this is a Bing keyword planner and just type, for example, how to save a marriage. So if I click, for example, how to save a marriage and click on search, get suggestions, you're going to see that many people are searching for these keywords on Bing alone, and many people are not competing for these different keywords, and that's how we're going to go and take advantage of this, and you can go and make a lot of money promoting your product from here. So you can see this particular keyword, how to save your marriage, is getting up to 27,000 searches every month on Bing alone, guys. So you can go and promote this, for example, on Google Ads. I can still go and make a lot of money promoting this on Google Ads, guys. So you can see the trend, many people are searching for these different keywords right here. I can go and promote this and get a lot of sales. So let's scroll right down here on Bing. You're going to see the competition is very low right here. So you can see the competition is very low. You can go and pay as low as 10 cents per click for these keywords right here. So these are very targeted keywords, and you can go and take advantage of this, promote your affiliate offer and make a lot of sales, guys. So you can see the competition, or the competition right here is very low, so people are not competing for this. But you're going to search, for example, for weight loss, you're going to find a lot of competition, that many people are competing for these different keywords, and many people are not competing for these other keywords that are very buyer keywords. So you can do is I can go and promote these products, and you're going to get very low cost per clicks, and can go and make a lot of sales, because people that are searching for these particular keywords are people that are desperate and are looking for a method that's going to help them to go and save their marriage, and this product is going to help them to save their marriage. So you're going to be giving people value, and we're going to be making money in return. So you're going to do is, what you're going to do is, you're going to go to Bing, and you're going to go and create a campaign. So once you go to bing.com, what you're going to do is you're going to go and sign up for a free account to go and start advertising on Bing. And what you're going to do is you're going to go and click on create new campaign. I'm just going to go and choose, for example, a visit to my website. And that's guys going to bring to a page right here, and you can go and create a campaign very easily from here. So you can just write, for example, the campaign name. So you can just write, for example, marriage. And you can just input your budget. For example, you can start with $25 per day. And that's it, guys. So what you can do from here is that for the location, you can go and choose, for example, only United States. You can go and add other locations, for example, Canada and Australia. So these are some of the countries that convert very well promoting affiliate marketing products. So once you do from here is that it's very important. Once you go and uncheck this, people searching or viewing pages about your targeted locations, you're going to go and uncheck this, and you're going to leave only people in your targeted location. So you want only people that are in the United States to go and see our ads. So you click, for example, on right here on let me choose specific locations. You can go and add a lot more different locations from here. For example, Canada. So let me just add, for example, Canada, and click on search. I was going to find Canada. I can just click on target. I can just add United States and click on search. I can just go and target right here. I can go and add multiple countries from here. So for example, I'm just going to leave it like this. And that's it, guys. We're going to continue creating our ad very easily from here. And what is also very important from here is that we're going to go and choose the language from here. So you can see right here is choose French. We're going to go and uncheck French. We're going to go and choose English for this example, because the product we're promoting is an English product. So click on English. And that's it, guys. It's very easy. You can just go and click on save and go to the next step. And that's it, guys. It's going to enable you to create a campaign very easily from here. So what we're going to do from here is we're going to go and create a simple landing page. So I'm going to create a simple landing page, for example, this one. So this is an example landing page that's going to link people back to your affiliate offer. So you can just create a simple landing page like this. I can go and collect, for example, email addresses. I can go and sell this product in the follow-up. So you can just go and create a very simple landing page like this and link people back to your affiliate offer. And also on Bing, you can also go and direct link on Bing, but I don't recommend direct linking on Bing. But you can also go and direct link on Bing. So for example, I'm just going to go and direct link. So I can just go back to affiliate marketplace and just click on generate hub links. I'm just going to go and get my affiliate link from here. I'm just going to go and put it on Bing, and I can just go and create a simple campaign from here. So let me input my affiliate ID, and here I'm just going to input, for example, Bing marriage. I'm just going to go and click on generate hub links, and for example, I'm just going to copy and go to Bing, I'm just going to go and input as my website URL right here. So for the ad group name, I can just write, for example, marriage ad group. And that's it, guys. So what I'm going to do from here is that we're just going to go and look for keywords that have a very low competition. So what I can do is I can go, for example, to the Bing keyword planner. You're going to go and look for all these keywords that have a very low competition. From here, I can go and use this and create your campaign from here. So you can just use, for example, successful marriage, save my marriage. So let me just copy this one. So these are very targeted keywords, and you can see they have very low competition right here. So you can just go and you're going to go and paste them right here as your keywords that people are going to search on Bing to find your particular ad on this website right here. So for example, is that we're just going to go, for example, to the affiliate tools area. We're just going to go and get all these keywords, and we're just going to go and use it and put it in our campaign. So for example, I'm just going to go and copy some of these keywords. I'm just going to go and use it in my campaign. So let me just choose this save marriage option right here. So let me just copy this. I'm just going to leave this for this example. I'm just going to copy this, and I'm just going to go and paste this in my campaign. So let me paste this right here. We already have keywords that are very targeted that we can go and use and promote our affiliate offer. So all we're going to do from here is that we're just going to go and click on save and go to the next step. And that's it, guys. We're going to go and create an ad from here. So click on create an ad. And that's it, guys. You're just going to go and input your affiliate ID right here again. So then input the final URL or affiliate link. And you're just going to go and write a title of your ad right here. So that's very easy, guys. So for this example, I already created an ad. So let me just show you guys an ad I created. So I'm just going to use this to promote our affiliate offer from here. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm just going to use this as an example. So let me just copy and paste right here. So the first part, I'm just going to use this as the first part, and the second part I can just go and copy some of this. I'm just going to copy and paste this as an example ad, guys. So let's just paste this, and I can just go and copy the rest and just put it as a description. So let me just copy this, and I'm just going to use this as my description of my ad from here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and take a lot more time, and you're going to go and write a little more detailed description about your ad right here. So for example, I'm just going to leave it like this, and that's it. My ad has been created, and I'm just going to go and click on save. And once my ad is approved, I can start getting some traffic and start making some sales right here, guys. So this is very easy. I can go and take advantage of this method I've shown you guys right today and start promoting your affiliate offers I've shown you guys right here. So you're just going to go and click on save, and that's it, guys. Our ad has been created. So you can go and create multiple ads from here. So for example, we're just going to leave it like this, and we're just going to go and click on the next step. So we're just going to go and click on save and go to the next step. And that's it, guys. Our ad has been created from here, and we can just go and click on save. And that's it, guys. Our ad is going to be approved, and we can start getting some traffic and start making some money from here, guys. So that's how easy it is for you to go and create a campaign using this method of showing, guys. So it's very easy. So you can go and watch the video over and over and follow the steps I've shown you guys in this video. You can go and create an ad campaign very easily on Bing. I can go and get a lot of traffic back to your affiliate offer. I can go and make a lot of sales. So this is a very simple concept that you can go and follow and take action on this method of showing you guys and start making some money on CLICKBANK very easily using this method of showing you guys right here. So that's a simple method, guys. So if you found value in this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so I continue to make these videos that can help you guys start making some extra money very fast online. And also want to learn the step-by-step method I'm using to make money like this every day on CLICKBANK, be sure to click first in the description. You can go and get by step-by-step method I'm showing you guys the exact methods I'm using to make money very fast on CLICKBANK, including done for you campaigns that I can just go and copy and paste and start running their campaigns right as soon as today and start making some money on CLICKBANK. So that's, guys, take action on this method, and I will see you guys in the next video.